Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F12 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, access calendar. Now pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, change color of it, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on all day over here. You can also select location, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, go back, take notes and even invite people from your contact book. When you're done, click save at the bottom right corner and as you can see my event was successfully created. You can always delete it by clicking on it, tapping on it again and selecting delete at the bottom right corner, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!